Today we are going to dismantle the Airpods Pro headphones. It has both noise reduction mode and transparency mode. Its noise reduction effect is incomparable with other brands. So it's great, but it's not cheap either. The solid drop rate is also relatively high. Let's dismantle it and take a look at its internal structure and its length. The remaining parts failed. After taking them apart, I found that there was a lot of glue inside. Where was the glue? They are all sealed, have a sealing effect, and also have a fixing effect. Now let's remove this battery. Remove the battery and clean off the excess glue. After cleaning it up, Yo-Yo Exclusive Theater, Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive. There is a fixed frame here. Remove this fixed frame as well. We need pliers to open it. After opening the fixing bracket, I saw it inside. Generating unit. Let's dismantle the generating unit now. This is the unit that often produces noise or abnormal sound is usually the case. These are all problems caused by endorsements. We are dismantling them now. We will break through the lower part directly, simply and crudely. This work. The workmanship is indeed fine. Apple's products are indeed good. Then let's cut it open. Yo-Yo Exclusive Theater, Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive. Continue cutting. This is a motherboard cable. Yo-Yo Exclusive Theater, Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive. Like some devices that are not online, not charging, or have poor connections. These disconnection problems are all caused by the motherboard and the antenna. They are all hidden down here at the bottom. Therefore, it is very difficult to repair. Yo-Yo Exclusive Theater, Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive. But we overcame all the problems. All faults can be repaired. This is the removed coiled wire. If you have any problems with Airpods, you can follow me and continue to make money. Thank you all. By BWD6, Yo-Yo Exclusive Theater, Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive.